है तज्जियाकार माइकल कुगलमैन, वाशिंगटन के तहकीकी इदारे विल्सन सेंटर में एशिया प्रोग्राम के डिप्टी डायरेक्टर। और इनसे हम यही जानना चाहेंगे कि आज की जो आला सतही मुलाकातें हुई हैं उनसे हासिल क्या होगा। माइकल, वेलकम टू व्यू 360। फर्स्ट, आई वांट टू नो जस्ट व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस विजिट?
Well, I imagine it's a visit that will be quite tense at times. As you know, the U.S. announced it was canceling $300 million in aid to Pakistan, and then just a few days later, Pompeo arrives, and he'll have a pretty tough message to deliver, I'm sure. He'll say that he wants Pakistan to deal with these terrorist sanctuaries on its soil. And yet, the Imran Khan government has declared that it will not let itself be dictated to by the United States. So it could be a bit of a tense dynamic in Islamabad right now.
सो माइकल कुगलमैन कहते हैं कि उनकी तवक्को ये है कि जो मुलाकातें हुई हैं इनके दौरान माहौल में तनाव भी मौजूद था, और उसकी वजह यह है कि जिस तरह कि हमने आपको भी पहले बताया कि कोलिशन सपोर्ट फंड्स रोके गए, और उसके अलावा जो पैगाम माइक पॉम्पेओ लेके जा रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान अपनी सरजमीन पर मज़ीद सख्त इक़दाम उठाए दहशतगर्दों के हवाले से, तो एक तरफ से अमेरिका का सख्त पैगाम, दूसरी जानिब से इमरान खान की हुकूमत का ये मौक़िफ़ कि वो अमेरिका से डिक्टेशन नहीं लेंगे। तो इस वजह से तनाव का माहौल एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं माइकल कुगलमैन। Michael, when we talk about expectations from both sides, like you said, the Foreign Office has also said that bilateral relations need to be reset on the basis of mutual trust and respect. But on the other hand, the US has made it pretty clear that pressure will continue. So how do you get consensus, and what happens if they cannot find a path together, which is a possibility that Secretary Mike Pompeo has hinted at?
Well, let's be very clear. It's true that both sides have talked about the need for a reset in relations, but there is not going to be a reset in U.S.-Pakistan relations, and certainly not after these meetings with Pompeo alone. I think the U.S. has been very clear that it's not going to be willing to move forward with this relationship until Pakistan deals with these Afghanistan-focused terrorists on its soil. And that's something that I simply don't see Pakistan doing. So I do think the U.S. and Pakistan will need to figure out how to proceed from here. And that could mean the U.S. government deciding to resort to harsher, more draconian measures to try to put the pressure on Pakistan to act.
All right.
But we don't know.
सो माइकल कुगलमैन कहते हैं कि जहाँ तक दोनों के दरमियान ताल्लुकात की इस वक्त बात है, तो असर नौ इनको यानी एक नए सिरे से शुरू करने की बात तो की जाती है, लेकिन ऐसा होगा नहीं, क्योंकि माइक पॉम्पेओ ने यही पैगाम पहुँचाया है पाकिस्तान को कि जब तक अफगानिस्तान के ख़िलाफ़ सरगर्मियाँ पाकिस्तान की सरजमीन से नहीं रुकेंगी तब तक कोई तब्दीली नहीं आएगी। और दूसरी जानिब पाकिस्तान का मौक़िफ़ हम जानते हैं कि उसका यही कहना है कि उसकी सरजमीन पर तमाम दहशतगर्दों के ख़िलाफ़ बिला किसी तफरीक ऑपरेशंस जारी हैं, और उसके अलावा ये भी हम जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान का मौक़िफ़ ये है कि उसकी सरजमीन से अफ़गानिस्तान पर हमले नहीं हो रहे। बट माइकल, व्हाट हैपन्स, ओके, आई वांट टू आस्क यू दिस, सम ऑफिशियल सीनियर एंड फॉर्मर डिप्लोमैट्स से दैट one has to accept that Pakistan will maintain a certain strategy which may not be entirely pleasant for the US, and now it's time for the US to take that into account, to factor that in, and then work with Pakistan. Is that a possibility, or would the US only work on getting Pakistan to change that strategy?
I think it may have been possible for a previous U.S. administration to essentially accept that, yes, Pakistan, like any sovereign country, is going to have its own interests that it will pursue. But the Trump administration is different. It takes a very harder line. It is all about America first. And I simply don't think it will accept that argument that Pakistan has a right to have its own interests and its own strategy, even if it conflicts with that of the United States.
ऑलराइट, सो माइकल कुगलमैन कहते हैं कि कम से कम ट्रंप इंतज़ामिया जो है वो ये नहीं बर्दाश्त करेगी, इस बात को नहीं एक्सेप्ट करेगी कि पाकिस्तान अपने तौर पे एक ऐसी हिकमत अमली अपनाए जो कि अमेरिका के लिए कह लीजिए कि काबिल कबूल नहीं है। Zalmay Khalilzad has been appointed as the special advisor on Afghanistan. He is known for having a very tough line as far as Pakistan is concerned. How do you see his appointment affecting engagement with Pakistan?
To me, the appointment of Khalilzad indicates that the U.S. is taking the idea of peace talks in Afghanistan much more seriously, but at the same time that the U.S. feels that Pakistan really should not play a role, should not play as much of a role in that process, simply because, indeed, Khalilzad has been so critical of Pakistan, and I think that it would be very difficult to assume that he would be able to work with Pakistan in this effort to get the Taliban to the peace table.
सो जहाँ तक ज़ल्म खलीलज़ाद की अपॉइंटमेंट की बात है, माइकल कुगलमैन की नज़र में उनके लिए पाकिस्तान के साथ काम करना मुश्किल होगा और इस सिलसिले में ख़ास तौर पे कि वो तालिबान को यानी पाकिस्तान तालिबान को मुज़ाकरात की मेज़ पे ला सके। Lastly, Michael, I want to ask you about Haqqani Network, which is a major point of contention between Pakistan and Afghanistan. And today, the Afghan intelligence agency announced that 11 Haqqani operatives were arrested in an operation in Kabul. What would you say about the timing of this arrest?
Well, it's very striking. Just as the timing was striking, how the death of Jalaluddin Haqqani was announced, just before the arrival of Pompeo in Pakistan. Look, I think that if true, I mean, the arrest of these Haqqani members in Kabul amplify how this Haqqani network issue is really at the crux of the tensions in U.S.-Pakistan relations, and that according to the U.S. government, the Haqqani network faction of the Taliban is really the biggest threat to American forces in Afghanistan, and that's why there's a need, in the view of the U.S. government, for Pakistan to target those Haqqani members that happen to be in Pakistan. And there are Haqqani network members in Pakistan, despite what Pakistan may say.
So, माइकल कुगलमैन का मानना है कि पाकिस्तान जो भी कहे, हक्कानी नेटवर्क के ऑपरेटिव्स पाकिस्तान में मौजूद हैं और उनकी इस वक्त अफगानिस्तान में जो ऑपरेशन में उनको हिरासत में लिया गया है, इसकी टाइमिंग यकीनन काबिल गौर है। माइकल कुगलमैन, डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर एशिया प्रोग्राम एट विल्सन सेंटर, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। वी अप्रिशिएट योर टाइम एंड इनसाइट।
Thank you.